My name is Japnamarraj Singh Ahluwalia. Today, I will tell about atmosphere and its importance. We all know that the Earth is the only planet in the whole solar system where life exists. It is because there is a layer of air which surrounds our Earth. That's called the atmosphere. That's why we can live on our planet Earth. We all know that the air is denser near the ground, but when we move away from the ground, the air is thinner. That's why the doctors recommended the asthma patients that they don't go on higher mountains. They can have a lot of breathing problems. Now I will tell some amazing facts. If there will be no air or atmosphere, the beautiful blue sky which we see will be a dull and colorless black sky. Second, we can hear each other, but atmosphere will not be there. We could not hear each other because the sound travels through air. Third, the water that we drink will be in liquid state, or it will not be in liquid state. It will be in boiling form or in ice. If there will be no air pressure. Fourth, oxygen that we need to breathe will not be there if atmosphere will not be there. I will come back later on this topic, but first I want to tell you about the layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. I am not telling detail. I will tell only a part of a air layer. That's called the ozone layer. That protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. That's called the UV rays. Let's come back to oxygen. To explain oxygen, I have to tell you about the composition of air. Composition of air is mixture of gases. The gases are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and other gases. In the air, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, argon is 0.9%, carbon dioxide is 0.03%, and rest are other gases. Oxygen is needed for us to breathe. Carbon dioxide is for plants. And what about nitrogen? They help to keep your food fresh. Remember the packet, the chips you eat in? That is, inside that, it's very fluffy. It is because inside that there is air. It's not normal air, it's nitrogen. That helps the chips to be crispy and fluffy and fresh. Friends, during this lockdown, the pollution level is low. Like this, friends. You can also keep after the lockdown like this. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.